Hi, I'm Kibler from Academia. Today I'll be showing you some tips on how to make your artwork stand out in the classroom with Adobe Express. First, you want to open up the desktop version and pick the image you want to work with. Once the image is uploaded, you'll be able to resize it and adjust it. Then you want to upload your second image as a new layer and you'll be able to resize to fit the image canvas. What you can do from here is adjust the top layer image with the blend mode. You can also go into enhancements to adjust the contrast, brightness, saturation and the highlights to suit the image below. Once you are happy with your edit, you'll be able to save your image on your device or share it with the classroom. To find out more about Adobe Express in the classroom, get in contact with Academia.